It's Amelia. Go check my other YouTube channel, by the way. Amelia. Blah, 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 blah. And please, guys, if you see Kayla, do not ship. Okay, it's me and Kayla, but I don't even know him like that. I just know him as a teacher, okay? Today we're going to sing What It Sounds Like. Original key. And by the way, go check my new story. My new story on my channel. Part 3 memory. It's the memory. That's something. So please go check it out though. Nothing but the truth. Nothing but the proof. Words of what I came from. Patterns unshamed of things that I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided. The lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust it to be my side. Without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why would I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges make the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. Shining signs, rise to fire. Shining. But none of us are here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes. We're the survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces, and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Be listening and define, this is what it sounds like. Oh, this is what it sounds like. 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 We broke into a million pieces and can't go back. And now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The skies are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lines, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Be listening and define, this is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Be listening and define, this is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time, our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Hope you guys liked it.